Hi, my name is Erica. I'm a mom of two. And a wife as well. For a while, I've been putting off making videos because I figured no one want to see them. Um, like, what do I have to share or talk about? Um, do I even know anything? But right now, with the way things are going out here in the world right now, even if I only know a little, um, I wanted to share it because it might help. Being a military wife has taught me many things when it comes to preparing for bad, good, and just life overall. And I've also learned to appreciate more things in life as well. So, um, I don't know if anyone want to watch it, but I want to still share because even if it helps one or two people or more, that's important to me. Just a little bit about myself. Um, I'm an IT engineer. Right now, it's a pretty rocky career to be in at this time. A lot of them are getting let off, and I'm just very lucky right now to at least have something. I don't have a job right now, but also I want to prepare just in case I don't. And with that, I want to grow a garden. So right now, this is what my garden looks like in this cute yard. So I have a plot here. It has a potato growing up from last year, but I've also planted carrots in here. This here is our plot. It has um, spinach, peas, and more peas here. And it's a little wild, I'm sorry. And then I have a greenhouse that keep blowing away and falling over. And then here's my yard. It's messy, but it is what it is right now. And that's the more important things to get taken care of besides this. And here we have carrots. Last year I used to have my compost bin. So my husband's supposed to weed eat all this today. I got to put things in here. Here, I had a pineapple growing in here, but it didn't drain well, so it died. So I got to pull everything out of there, as well as peas. I have some blueberry plants and raspberry plants, some trees, some apple trees, the fruit trees I have to grow. That needs to go to the trash. I had tomato plants here last year. That's more carrots, and that's more carrots. So I got to clean this one out. And then I have a lot going on here. I got to flip that over, and that's one of my ones I always use each year to garden in. So I got to flip it over and put it out there. And then these here are my potato buckets. So I put like sweet potatoes and things like that in those, or whatever. I got purple potatoes this year and stuff like that. And then if I'm on full, I always buy it whenever it's really cheap, and then have my husband stockpile it over in the corner throughout the year. Got plenty of it here to keep garden today. And then I got to put down my hay. It's been out since last year when I bought it, so um, it'll be fine. And then here is some cardboard I put down the end of last year. It looks crazy, but it's ready now. So it's all nice and um, probably it's nice and just it's soft. That's where I like it to be. So I will replace these boards here. My husband will replace these boards here today and expand this all the way outward to include my cardboard area here, so I can make this here whole area a garden again. Last year I grew things in here as well, but time hasn't been too wonderful to this type of wood. And then I have the pots here, and that has radishes in it. Both sides have radishes, different types of radishes in it. And then I have to dig a plot here today as well, which is why you see the bags there to kill the grass. So that's what I'll be doing today. So I just plan on doing like little updates here and there, so that not only someone else can see maybe and may help them, but also so I can look back and see how I've grown or where things started. My biggest concern right now is if the food infrastructure collapses or anything like that happens. Worst case scenario, I have food for my family, whether it's veggies and stuff like that. I love veggies. But I also want it to be a journey for myself so I can look back and see how much I've grown as a person even with things as crazy as they are right now, I find myself being really sad or depressed all the time because of um, that fear. So I just wanted to look back one day and be like, you know what, things were okay. You made it. People made it. It's okay. Thank you for watching. Bye.